Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the About Phone section, which is at the top of the list, of course. Now let's localize this OS version and keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Right now we can simply go back to the general settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again and tap on the developer options. And here, as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the login level. Here we can turn on the option to don't keep activities. We can show view updates, we can change the contrast, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the input, so we can show visual feedback for tabs. There we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, so basically the networking options. And the customization of them is pretty easy. It works just like in the general or regular settings. Simply tap on the switcher to activate the option and tap on it again to turn it off completely. If you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list to find the switcher. All you have to do is to tap on it. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred back to those additional settings, and the developer options which were above the OTG connection will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step or OS version step actually, and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.